gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Red Magic, pretty much the last true gaming phone brand still standing, is back again with a brand new release, the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus in this sleek, transparent black colorway. A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. First, let's check out everything inside the box. You get a frosted protective case with smooth, soft-touch sides, although the back itself is made of hard plastic. There's also a USB-C charging cable included. Now onto the phone itself. Red Magic sticks with its signature design language here, featuring that iconic transparent back panel. And right here, yes, that's the liquid cooling system. The whole camera area blends seamlessly into the display, which honestly explains why Red Magic is confident enough to launch this device. In the past, Red Magic phones stood out because of their built-in active cooling fans. They kept temperatures under control and helped maintain stable frame rates during gaming. But now, brands like Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, and even Huawei have started adding active cooling solutions too. So this time, Red Magic decided to go even further by combining liquid cooling with air cooling. At this point, calling it just a phone almost feels wrong. This thing is basically a dedicated cooling machine for gaming. Let's power it on. And before I forget, Red Magic didn't just create a full-screen camera design. They also kept something many brands have abandoned, the legendary 3.5mm headphone jack right on the top. Seriously impressive. The boot animation has this cool anime vibe to it. Like, anybody there? We're under attack by an alien civilization. It's dramatic, but kind of charming at the same time. Anyway, let's move on. Now take a close look at the display. The bezel control here is insanely good, almost too good. And yes, the front camera is still using an under-display design, but this time the pixel density is so refined that you genuinely can't tell where the camera is hidden. Let's quickly test the front camera. I'll hold my judgment for now and just snap a photo first to see how the AI processing handles it afterward. Honestly, it looks surprisingly solid. Facial details, even fine hair strands, are preserved really well. The bright lighting above my head is also controlled nicely. For a hidden under-display camera, this is definitely more than good enough. Coming back to the display, the immersive feeling is incredible, especially because of the ultra-thin bezels. And one detail I really like is the 2.5D curved transition between the display and the frame. It creates this floating screen effect that looks super premium in person. So, after this quick hands-on experience, my overall impression is that this phone feels more like a portable gaming console than just a smartphone. You get the true uninterrupted full-screen experience, dual gaming shoulder triggers, plus a dedicated shortcut switch for game space. If you're serious about mobile gaming, this is definitely a device worth checking out. And for the tech enthusiasts out there who love long gaming sessions and obsess over details, this phone will probably speak directly to you. This was just an early unboxing and first look though. I'll upload the full detailed review after the official launch. See you guys in the next one. Bye!